Way uhebret badang khats house nem kerta ulapin kutno ela ke GM hotelai pasi hakaway ke jaka klau hadib hoi district hadian bu ulaja nala yem kram wan phai shu nadu hinin gamiet kat kum ke jinte balayo dum la ong tu khna ulaja nala yem nadu ke porch po je min miet bat na kalian ki bahayin kilat persyang balik war ya u hinrei kum shum nalap setia bat dei minta step hadian bagi bahayin kim don la shu da kumway kila ujo da ka ijahar halong po police station Henry tang hadian ko bakatu kat Newport bala ujo de ka ijahar ki bahayen kila yo jingte baute hybrid ulas dian phasi la di hakawai ka khlaw ka badan sharut nong na ka yen ka ba usa badya ka met jong u la lap yu da uwe pat ukhna u badang met pom sie ha ka te ka khlaw bad ha ka jingkyo te ukhna ula let ban pentip shiki breush nong ki bala pentip pat mar shiki polet banne e ka badan kam Nakaliang kipulit kanong po ringkat kibriu jong ka forensic crime scene union kila po siya katay ka jaka ban bishar banya ya katay ka jingja pat ka jingyap utay hybrid pat harian balap pinhat tapin kitno ya ka medyo siya nong po civil hospital banle ya ka postmortem
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.